So this is a jelly bean dispenser. I've taken it all apart. It has it's held together by screws. And what I did, the project here was to reduce the number of jelly beans that is dispensed. And so what I ended up doing, it was kind of a trial and error process. I would 3D print these pieces of plastic and install them into here. You can see down in there I ended up using the orange, and that ended up being the shape. That works pretty good. It allows just a few of the beans to drop instead of like a whole lot of beans. I'll show you. I'll put some in here. Was hoping to get it to where it would just drop maybe one or two. I'll show you here. There's one, another one. That time it dropped two. That time it dropped like 3 or 4. But it's a lot better than it was. It used to give you basically a handful. And so wanted to cut that down to a smaller number. And I was able to do that. I'll show you back here. This thing has a lot of screws holding it together, which made it kind of convenient. So you can take each one of these out. I don't want to do it again, but I'll show you. There's a coiled spring here and a latch right there that when you put it back together, you have to get the spring back on this tab so it's spring loaded and it'll close on itself. And that's not too hard to do, but I don't want to have to go through that process again now that I've got it all working. And then this piece just, it's like funnels them down, the beans down to the chute there. And so now I'm just going to put it all together. I mean, it takes, there's these short screws. I use a magnet to hold them together for all of this in the back. And then these longer screws hold this top piece on with the little doors. Right here, these doors that pop in. And then there's a series of screws that hold the bottom. Quite a lot of screws. But anyway, I'll get started on that. So I'm going to go ahead and attach this back to it here. I was a little amazed at how many screws they used. This thing, I would have thought they would have just glued it together. Because it's a little labor intensive, I would think, to assemble one of these things. But I'm sure they know what they're doing. We got 5 there. Gonna have another 5 here. And then this goes here. Let's see. These long ones go up here at the top. So these long screws are, they go in the back here. Actually, that's a short one there. Here we go, we got it all put together.